Hey guys, I got some questions yesterday on, I guess some people were confused about how to figure out the conjugate acids and conjugate bases. The big thing that you need to remember is that conjugate acids are always going to accept protons. So if it has one additional hydrogen to what it had on the reactant side, then that's going to make it a conjugate acid. If it is a conjugate base, when you're doing your comparison, it means that it lost a proton or a hydrogen, and that's why it would be considered a conjugate base. So take this example right here on my board, okay? So the first part, identifying acids and bases, should be fairly simple. If you take a look, we have HCl, which is considered a binary monoprotic acid. Okay, so that is going to be your acid. Now, on the same side of the equation, remember, if one is the acid, the other one has to be the base. Okay, so where the problems seem to come in is when people take a look at the other side. So let's take a look at NH4. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to pick the compound on the reactant side that looks the most like it. In this case, it would be NH3. And see what happened to NH3. So if you take a look, right, NH3, NH4, what is the difference? You have an added hydrogen, okay? That means that it has accepted a hydrogen. And if it accepted a hydrogen, remember, hydrogen is just another way to say it accepted a proton. That is going to make it a conjugate acid. All right, let's take a look at Cl minus. Obviously, you guys know that if one is a conjugate acid, the other one is a conjugate base, but let me show you how you would figure that out. Okay, so if we take a look, what we're going to do is we are going to compare HCl with Cl minus. If you take a look, what is the difference? The difference is I have lost a hydrogen, which means that it donated a hydrogen, aka donated a proton, and that makes it a conjugate base. Okay, so I hope that clears up any confusion for those of you that were struggling a little bit on your worksheet from yesterday. If it didn't help, please send me a message and let me know what the issue is, and I will be happy to either have a meeting with you or to record something for you, okay? All right, y'all. Bye.